everyone, welcome back to our world of creativity. While I'm fast asleep, a little bit of magic happens in our home. Late at night, Amma and Papa work together to set up the Vishukkani, making sure everything is perfect before the sun even thinks about coming up. I visited Amma and Papa's homes in Kerala, and I have seen the trees there covered in gold. These Konnappu wait all year long, blooming only when it is time for Vishu. Back home, they were just waiting in the backyard. But here in the city, Papa has to go on a big hunt through the crowded bazaars just to find these blossoms. It's a golden treasure hunt he does just for me. In the city, almost everything in our Uruli comes from a shop. But Amma brings the village kitchen to us. Look at these Unniyappams. She makes them exactly how her grandmother taught her. While she's cooking, Papa is busy helping set up the Kani perfectly. Our home smells just like home should. Very early in the morning, Papa wakes up and lights the lamp. My parents grew up in Kerala in the 90s, and they tell me how Vishu wasn't just a day. It was a whole week of excitement. You'd hear the crackers starting days before, that constant pop and crackling telling you Vishu is coming. They really miss that vibe, that noisy, joyful countdown. Here in the city, the crackers are saved for Diwali. The morning is very silent, almost too quiet sometimes. But in that silence, as I wake up with my eyes shut tight, guided only by Papa's hands to the puja room, I realize we brought our own kind of magic here. The anticipation of that first look in the quiet morning is the best feeling in the world. When I finally open my eyes, everything is glowing. The Krishna Vigraham, the bright yellow Konnapu, and all the fruits and vegetables looked like they're baked in stardust. It's like a little piece of heaven right in our home. Then comes the Vishu Kaineettam. It's not just a coin, it's a little piece of luck and love for the whole year. My Vishu might be a little more city and a lot more silent than the ones my parents remember. But with both of them by my side, it feels just as special. This drawing is for everyone keeping their traditions alive, even if it feels a little different now. Do you or your parents miss those 90s Vishu vibes too? Let us know in the comments. Happy Vishu from our family to yours.